Hey, what's up, fellows? Yes, it's me. Some of you have been watching IT videos for 1 year, 2 year, or maybe even longer. And if I'm being honest with you, you're still at the same level. And I know that probably stings a little, but this video is important because a lot of beginners right now think they're learning IT, when in reality, they're basically trapped in tutorials, trapped in studying, trapped in watching other people do the work instead of building skills themselves. And the scary part, a lot of people stay stuck here for years without realizing why nothing is changing. So in this video, I'm going to break down why watching more content is not making you any better. Why so many beginners stay busy but don't make any progress. The psychological trap that keep people stuck, and how to finally start building the real IT skills. No motivation fluff, no fake nonsense, just the honest truth. Are you ready for this? Let's dig. I see this pattern constantly. People watching certification videos, roadmaps, day in the life of IT videos, cybersecurity content, and cloud videos. And somehow they feel productive. They feel like they're moving forward. But months later, they still cannot troubleshoot basic IT issues. They still freeze in interviews, and they still don't feel confident. And deep down, they start thinking there's something wrong with them. Maybe I'm too slow, maybe I'm not smart enough, or maybe IT is just not for me. But most of the time, that is not the real problem. The real problem is consuming IT content becomes your comfort zone. Let me explain what's happening. Watching tutorials feel productive. Your brain says, I'm learning. But there is a massive difference between recognizing information and building skills. You can watch 200 videos on Active Directory and still panic when it's time to create a simple user account. You can watch networking videos all day long and still don't know how to troubleshoot a simple DNS issue. Why? Because watching is passive and real learning is active. IT is not a spectator sport. You do not learn IT by observing others. You learn IT by touching the technology, breaking things, fixing things, testing things, getting confused, searching for answers, and trying again. That is where skills come from. And honestly, this is becoming a huge problem in 2026 because there's endless content online, new tutorials every day, new certification paths, new technology trends, new IT roadmaps, and new IT tools. And your brain simply loves novelty. Watching a new video feels exciting, doesn't it? Starting a new certification feels exciting. Planning feels exciting. But repeating yourself, practicing, troubleshooting the same lab for 2 hours, that feels boring. And that's exactly why most of the people never build the real IT skills. Because skills come from repeating yourself, not entertainment. Real IT learning is messy. You repeat things, you forget things, you break things, and you troubleshoot for hours. And beginners often avoid this stage because consuming content feels safer. And in the next section, I'm going to show you the biggest mistake that keeps beginners trapped. And honestly, this is probably the one that wastes the most time. Some of you are hiding behind the learning. And I mean that respectfully. You tell yourself, I'm still preparing. I just need one more certification. I need to understand this better first. But sometimes that's actually fear disguised as preparation. Fear of failing, fear of applying, fear of interviews, and fear of looking inexperienced. So instead, you stay in learning mode forever because learning feels safe. And quite frankly, nobody judges you there. But growth happens when you actually try. Let me tell you something very important. You're never going to feel fully ready for IT. Even experienced IT professionals Google things on daily basis. Confidence comes after action, not before. This is another massive beginner trap. People constantly switching direction. Week 1 help desk, week 2 cybersecurity, week 3 cloud, and week 4 coding. Then Linux, then networking, then AI, and then back to A+ again. And after months, they have touched everything but mastered nothing. Listen carefully, you do not need a perfect path. What you need is consistency, because every time you restart, you reset the momentum. And beginners underestimate how much progress comes from simply staying with one thing long enough. So let's talk about what the real progress actually looks like. Because honestly, it's usually slower than people expect. The real learning looks like this: build a small lab, getting stuck, research, fixing one issue, breaking something else, and trying again. It's not very glamorous. There's no dramatic breakthrough moments, no magical videos, no perfect roadmap. You slowly become capable. And that's how it works. And this is the part beginners misunderstand. IT professionals are not the people who memorize everything. They're the people who become comfortable figuring things out. That's the real skill. A user says, my printer stopped working. You investigate. A user says, I cannot log in. You troubleshoot. A VPN fails. You test things. That process is the job. So how do you actually fix this? Here's what I would recommend. Step number 1, consume less, practice more. For every hour of watching, spend at least 1 hour of doing. Not watching someone configure Active Directory. Actually configure it yourself. Your passive learning must become an active learning. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Step number 2, pick one entry point. Help desk, IT support, basic networking, and stay there long enough to build the momentum. You don't need certainty. You need consistency. Step number 3, build small IT home lab. Stop waiting for the perfect setup. You don't need a server rack, enterprise hardware, or expensive equipment. Use the free VirtualBox, Windows trial versions, and simple practice scenarios. Reset passwords, create users, break DNS, and fix simple networking issues. That's real learning. I have the whole series tackling just that kind of issues. Do take a look at it. Step number 4, get comfortable being confused. This is huge. Confusion is not failure. Confusion is part of the process. If you never feel confused, you're probably staying too comfortable. Step number 5, apply before you feel ready. This is where your growth accelerates. Apply for jobs, do interviews, practice scenarios, struggle a little. That pressure forces growth. Some of you are trying to become confident before taking any action, but confidence usually comes from action. So let me leave you with this. You're probably not stuck because IT is impossible. You're probably not stuck because you're too old. And you're probably not stuck because you're not smart enough. You're stuck because consuming content became a substitute for doing the actual work. And once you understand that part, everything will start to change. If this video hit home, good, because recognizing the trap is the first step out of it. And let me know in the comments, what's the one thing you've been learning but still haven't practiced yet? And if you want the real IT guidance without the fake nonsense, subscribe, because I'm going to help you build real IT skills step by step. Until next time, take care of yourselves and people around you, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.